get interrupted. Even when no one's home, I get interrupted. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. I received a package from an author and I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. It's from Baldwin. We're just gonna get to it. Whoa. That's what that looks like. Ugh. Cool! Oh, I love this box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's so cool. I love the color. There's this card and it says Jessica. This is so cute. What the heck? Dear Jessica, thanks so much for your interest in the Bishop Security series. Here is book 1, False Front. I hope this spicy page turner keeps you up late. All the best, Debbie. Oh my gosh, there's so many goodies and I'm so excited. Okay, where do I start? Well, I saw the tea first, so let's start with that. Bag Ladies Tea. Novel tea contains 25 tea bags of English breakfast tea. 25 tea bags with literary tags. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, that packaging is so good. Just one more chapter. Oh, cute. That's the inside. Oh! My dad's calling. Hey.
Hey, yeah.
What's up?
Are you home?
Yeah, I'm home. Yeah, I'm home.
Our sister got sick yesterday.
Oh, you know. Hey.
Oh, I'm a
client right now. Oh,
Okay.
You're talking. I want to know what the car is.
I just did. I not just answer you.
What's up, who house?
Did.
What are you doing there?
Well, it's not gonna get driven for a while, so I decided to take that one because it won't get driven for like 2 weeks.
Are you doing this?
Yes.
Okay.
Does this look like this is in our house? Okay, I'm
Yesterday,
doing.
what did you do this? This yesterday one?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, love you.
Bye.
Okay, hey dad. You wanna talk to me still? Look, I'm opening a box. I just got a package.
They get a package.
An author sent me a package.
Put it in your room?
Yes.
From the mailbox?
No, UPS put it at the front door, and then I opened the door, and then I picked it up.
Okay. Alright, well, we need a mom. Okay, I'll talk to you.
Hey, Gilly.
Hey, kid boy. How are you?
Oh, good. I just got a package.
It came home.
Yeah, I came to the house. I got tea.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, love you, baby.
Love you. Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
I'll talk to them all.
Okay. Bye. See, I always get interrupted. Even when no one's home, I get interrupted. Little fun fact, so my parents are in the Philippines right now. My sister and I are flying out to go to Japan, and they're gonna fly from the Philippines to Japan, and we're gonna meet up. That's a little behind the scenes of my life right now. My dad just called. It's 2 a.m. for him in the Philippines, but it's 2 p.m. for me in Canada. And he just wanted to call because he just landed. As I said, I'm home alone because my sister went to her man's house, so I had to connect her. But then my sister was on a call. That's that. Let's get back to the video. What I went over was the card, beautiful card, this super cute Bookish mug, and Bookish tea. Bookish tea, that is so creative. English breakfast tea is one of my favorite teas. To have the bookish element tied into it, I love it. What the heck? I can't wait to look at these tags. It'll look like that attached to the tea bag. So I'm super excited for that. And then these are some cozy socks. Is that what they're called? Because that's what I'm calling them. It's so soft. Oh, and these are so cute. And then at the bottom there's the, what are these called? I can't remember, but I call them like stickies, so they help grip the floor. Oh, that's amazing. Best quality, yeah. It's super soft. I love that. Last but not least, the beautiful book. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. To Jess, thank you for your kindness and friendship. XO, Debbie. Ah, Debbie, you're the best. Oh my gosh. False Front by Baldwin. So beautiful. That's the back. And this is the front. Emma Porter is not real. She is an accomplished young woman living a fulfilling life in New York City, working for an online news agency and striving toward normalcy. The truth, however, is something else. She was once Emily Webster, a child of privilege and the 21st century Lindbergh baby. Her high-profile unexplained abduction and subsequent rescue led to a childhood of paranoia and preparedness, as her kidnapper remained at large and still on the hunt. With her father's guidance and resources, Emily became Emma Porter, living each day in her new identity, vigilant and unattached. Unattached, but for the seemingly unbreakable tether that connects her to the man who, as a young boy, lived next door. Like Emma, Nathan Bishop is not what he seems. Preparing to helm his family's defense contracting company, Nathan is better known for his womanizing and reckless behavior than his business acumen. His striking image peppers the pages of society tabloids and police blotters. But beneath the facade of a rake lurks a warrior. When an arms dealer procures a lethal bioweapon and is rumored to be selling it on US soil, Nathan and his team must use every resource at their disposal to stop the threat. With danger closing in, fate once again puts Emma in Nathan's path, and the two must determine if the weathered bond between them is enough to find the truth behind their false fronts. Fans of Nora Roberts and Jane Ann Krentz will love False Fronts. Oh my gosh. That sounds so good. This is giving me Second Chance, childhood best friend, next door neighbor vibes. Yeah, I live next door. Oh, I love that. Debbie, thank you so much for this incredible package. I am so excited to read this book. Also, can we just take a moment? I love the cover. I'm a sucker for objects on the cover versus people on the cover. I really love the contrast of the black and the blues. And I love the lighthouse, how it's shining the blue light. So for the prologue, like having the lighthouse there, if it focuses, oh yeah, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Also, I want to read the dedication. For my children who define love for me, and for Richard, who puts no limits on what's possible. Aww. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you again, Debbie, for all of these beautiful items and for your lovely book. I'm so excited to read it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.